I know, you're all gonna say it, my mom's gonna say it, I don't need it, blah, 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 but I bought it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Katie. I have no excuses. I just have not picked up my camera. My camera honestly has been sitting right here forever and I just have not picked it up. But we have a really special video and it's late at night. I just got home. I literally just walked in the door. It's 7:52 already. We had a volleyball game, but that is not the point of the story. I just walked in the door and I realized that I had a package, and if you guys, let's see if you guys are really true fans. You can't, oh shoot, you can still see my dress. Okay, now let's do it. Oh, my battery's dying. I didn't charge it. I wonder if I have another battery, because it's literally, let's see how long it goes until it dies. Let's do an unboxing. So the sticker may look familiar. I have bought a product like this before and it was my most viewed video on my YouTube channel. So can you guys take a guess at what I bought? I know, you're all gonna say it, my mom's gonna say it, I don't need it, blah, 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 but I bought it. And if you haven't guessed by now or seeing the title of this video, I did, in fact, buy the new iPhone. I really shouldn't have, but I did. And even the box is just beautiful. Like, this is some quality work. And I bought a white phone case, but I'll do all of that later. So let's do what everyone waits for in these videos. Not as clean, but it's still nice. I did get the iPhone, I don't think it's the 12. I was driving home and I was like, are we on the 12 or are we on the 13? We're on the 12. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've realized I just like the bigger phones, so I just stuck with the Pro Max. It's just an easier transition and I got it in gold. The lighting right now is not great, but it's gold. And oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. This is just in like my hands, it is beautiful. It's nice and cold. It did say it was delivered and I looked in my mailbox and it wasn't there, so I got really nervous, but it was outside of my door, which probably isn't safe for a brand new phone, but it's okay. Nobody stole it, clearly. It's right here, so. Love that. Oh my gosh, this is just like, I still can't believe I actually purchased this. And gold, I was just feeling super snazzy. You know, I always get silver or black. I don't think I've ever had a gold phone. Maybe like one of them were gold, but I just decided to go all out with the new Pro and get the gold, so. Let's turn it on. Maybe not. Oh, there she is. So fancy. And I bought it already for use. I probably will just have to switch the SIM cards. It says hello. The last time I filmed this, it was nighttime too, and I just used like my bathroom light, so it's just funny to see like how a year and a half has changed with my channel. So I'm gonna set this up and I'll come back. Bonjour, English, United States. Set up. No, I want to do it like bring your current iPhone. I don't even know where my iPhone is right now. My current iPhone says set up new iPhone, continue. Wi-Fi will be turned on to continue the settings, and it says it's connecting. So okay, I think we're all finally set up. Again, I got the gold iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, and I don't know why this was my most viewed video when I got the 11 Pro, but that was just like a really bad video. So thank you guys for watching. I think it's already at like 70,000 views, which I never thought a video of mine would get that big, but I know it's the iPhone. It's just, it's what you come to see. You come to see the new phone. So this is what it looks like. Again, the lighting just at 8:30 right now is not ideal to show a gold phone because it looks like, I live in my apartment, it's like really tan, so it just blends in. But I got gold. It's just like the general home screen. All my updates go to my school iPad. So when it told me if I wanted to update it and back it up, it just downloaded all of my school apps. So I was, that's annoying, but I was going through and deleting them. And then I think I really mainly want to keep my phone just to be my phone. Like, I don't want to put anything on there. I had so many school things going on my phone before. This is my old phone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max in silver. And I just want to have my phone be my phone and my school iPad, which is right here because I had to connect it, be my work. Like, I don't want to have any of those apps mixed. I want just like social media and things on my phone right now. But it's already 8:30. I'm tired, so I am going to finish setting this up by putting on my case. I did not buy a screen protector. I probably should have. I will. I have a screen protector on here. It's not the correct size, but it works. And so I'll definitely get one. I just bought the Apple phone case, part of like the package deal of buying the phone. So that's why I have only the phone case. And it was very hard to decide what color I wanted because there's just so many different colors. But when you're matching it with gold, it's very hard. I know that the screen is black, so you really don't see into the phone, but I just decided to go with white. It's a summer color, you know. And they're supposed to be magnetic, so I'm gonna test that out because this is supposed to be the new like magnetic phone case with like, I don't know. My place, like, look at my countertop. It's just like a mess of all my phone stuff and all my work stuff and the coffee that I need to clean so that I can have it for tomorrow. But I wasn't a huge fan of the silicone case when I got it for the 11, so I hope I like this a lot better. But let's just see if it's on. And there she is. There's the new phone. It has such random apps, so I'm gonna have to get some more apps, and I'll probably do a what's on my iPhone. I did that when I had this X, but I didn't do it with this phone. I don't think I showed you guys what was on my iPhone 11. So maybe if they don't send a trade-in right away, I'll show you guys what's on my 11 and like where I left off, and then like what I put on my new one. But this is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm so excited. Again, don't know why I bought it, but I did. It's not even snapped in all the way. I am proud of myself for waiting because usually I would buy it right when it comes out, and I told myself it's not worth it at that moment. Christmas was coming and I'd rather spend more money on my family, so I waited. And then I don't know what came upon me. Maybe it was the stimulus check, I don't know, but something came upon me and then I ended up getting it. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold, and I'll show you guys more. I'm just exhausted. It's been a long day. It's already 8:30 and I have school and I get up at 5. So I'm gonna sign off. Ooh, that's weird. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Sorry there wasn't much to it, that it was really just the unboxing. Again, you know, like the Apple cases, they come with the charger, and everyone's complaining that they don't give you a block to charge this, but I've had this charger before, so I have old blocks from the 11. So that's nice. And then they came with the SD remover, which I tried. I thought that was my issue of why my phone wasn't working in the first place. But I realized that I had to keep the SIM card that I already had that started the, like that made the my old phone work. And then eventually it just kind of came together and it synced up and everything. So yeah, I'm so excited. I have no contacts on my phone. This is the first time ever that really I only have, you guys can't see it, but I only have my sister right now because I was testing it out with her. I was like, is it working? What do you see? Do you see my iMessage email, or do you actually see my phone number? Because that's the biggest thing, is that when you get an iPhone, you can definitely think your phone's working and it's not, it doesn't have the cellular yet. So I wanted to make sure that my cellular was on. And now I'm just gonna go play around with it, download some new apps, and get my apps that I use more frequently back because I don't have them. And I need to figure out a way to sync all of my contacts from my old phone because I don't know if they can transfer over and I don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna play around. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.